Good morning and namaste everyone. Today is the 29th of December and it's around, what is the time?
9:30.
And it's 9:30. I am already ready. I had bath. I woke up at around 7 o'clock. No, sorry, 7:30, and it was quite cold. So I waited for some more time and then I got ready. The others are yet to get ready. I'm hungry. So that's the reason we both are going to have our breakfast. So let's go.
Got my charger.
Okay, so we are having aloo paratha and coffee. Every place food is different. What we had paratha in Beer was different, and Guner what we are having is completely different. This reminds me a little bit of mom's paratha, somewhere very closer to that. So yeah, it's tasty. We'll have good breakfast so that we can, we be quite active for the day, and so that we can keep ourselves warm. So now we are going to the waterfall that you see on top there. So we'll be tracking that and going to the waterfall. And let's see what time we are coming back. Depends on that. We are planning the next half of the day. So let's go. I'm excited for the track. And let's see if I can do the trekking after a very long time. So I'm excited for it. So let's go. So now we'll be tracking the whole mountain that side. So it's adventurous, full with breakfast. Oh, thank you. So we are going, excited, and it's gonna be fun. So that is our stay. That's a cafe, and that is the last this thing room is ours. So we have come all the way from here, and now we are walking from here to there to that side. So it's gonna be fun, mazedar, adventurous. This view is amazing. We have come all the way from there, and we are here. I cannot capture everything in the video, but my eyes, it's breathtaking. It's amazing. We have more here to go. Here is our whee! Oh, wow! And look at this cliff. We have come all the way from that to this, to this, to this, and now we are here. We have to go like this, go down from here, and then it goes downwards. It's beautiful. A different experience, a different view, and it's amazing. He wants you to do nice.
Come, I'll do it. Come. Yo, I'll do it nice.
Can you hear that? Can you really hear that? I love this sound. It's amazing. I love the sound of the water. It's so soothing. Let's enjoy it. I think there are many people out there who's waiting, and let's enjoy the moment. So after climbing the mountain and the rock there, this was quite cliff, and now we are going forward. There's a small waterfall here. We are moving further through those rocks and going further to the bigger one. So let's go. I'm enjoying it for the first time. I've done something like this adventurous which I've never climbed in life. I want to do it, and yes, I'll do it.
No, it's normal for me. Go on. Begin now. Not on the black stones, huh? Akka, not on the black stones. Black stones are surit.
रिलैक्स रहिए। आप एक हाथ भाई के पास, इधर ये हाथ मेरे पास है ना। हाथ नहीं छोड़ना है, ठीक है? चलो आगे। हाँ, हाथ मत छोड़ना मैडम। वेट चलो मिस्ट्री वेट। आगे रखिए, हाथ है ना।
And we have reached this wonderful, beautiful waterfall. It's amazing. First time in my life I have done something different from what I used to do. That is trekking, jumping from one rock to another. The guy lifting our feet. Oh God, it was really crazy. There's another. We need to go down and take us down. Ready to reach. My limbs are actually frozen completely. If you see, they have turned pink here. So let's move.
भाई पीछे बता दे।
What an amazing adventure. It was my first time that I, tracked in this way actually. I've always done walking kind of a trekking, but climbing mountains, climbing the rocks and crossing the rocks, I have never ever done in life, because I always was very conscious about my weight, that I won't be able to do it or something like that. But today I gave my best. The guide was amazing. He was too good. He was explaining us how to go, where to keep the legs. So he was very helpful too. So he was very, helping us out in reaching the waterfall. So thanks to him also. The track was amazing. It made me build my confidence, which I never ever had in life. I was only in this part of my life. I was never one second. Only in this part, in this thing, I was not so confident about tracking and all. But it was really very nice. It made me very confident in life. From now on, yes, I can do it. It's actually making me very emotional, but yes, I was always very conscious when it came to tracking, because I never thought I could do it. I don't know whether I have recording of this. Pritesh has taken recordings or no, I don't know. But I'll share his videos in my vlog, showing you how it was. And yes, after an amazing track, I'm sure ye to banta hai. So I'm enjoying the coffee and it's lovely. As you can see at the background, you get momos, you get siddhus, you get Maggi, you get many things here. Just for a break, you can come, sit down, and then you can continue the remaining part. So there are more obstacles in between while going also. So yes, a very beautiful and a memorable day and a year for me. पहाड़ में आए हो तो मैगी तो बनता है. So we are having Maggi after coffee, and it's Yum! And I'm hungry also. So let's quickly have it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome and welcome.
Okay, so this is Samrat. He helps us in traveling, going for the trek to the waterfall. So आप क्या कहना चाहते हो, Samrat जी?
मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग आइए यहाँ पे अच्छे से दिन बिताइए, हमारे साथ ट्रैक कीजिए, जितने आपको मन करे उतने लोगों को लेके आइए अपने साथ.
Sure, sure. I will surely share his contact number. You all can contact him and go for the trekking. It's amazing. So we have come back almost to our homestay. The experience was breathtaking because I enjoyed every bit of it, like every bit of it. And out of my comfort zone, it's more peaceful and light on my heart. So it's almost 5 in the evening and the weather is like this, and we are going to have some snacks since we did not have our lunch today. So we'll have a bit of snacks and come back. Feeling so peaceful and satisfied, I can say. So let's go and have something. So we have come here to have something. So we are having this kachodis with tikki chutney. Our Golu Mulu will try and tell us how is it. How is it? Hey, he's gone. See, that means it's very nice, right? Have alone. हमारे लिए और एक. So I have ordered for the veg noodles. My coffee is on the way. I'll have this noodles. Let's see the taste. Okay, so now it is 10:30. We all had food. After 5 o'clock, I think we went at 5. We had snacks. We came back. We played Uno. We went back again at 8:30. And now we are here. Our tummies are full and we are tired, but not tired because we want to play Uno. So we'll play that and we'll go to sleep. So that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow with some fresh news. Bye bye.